I just wanted to say how pleased I am with the work that Stuart and folks at the Lawn Tune-Ups company have been doing. When I moved into this house 3 years ago, the lawn hadn't been taken care of, it hadn't been watered, it was a total disaster. I thought I was going to have to pay a ton of money to have it rethatched or resodded and reseeded. But Stuart came by and we thatched it and we aerated it and we seeded it. And over a couple of years, it's come back looking beautiful, and I get all sorts of compliments from the neighbors about how wonderful my yard works. I really highly recommend this company and hope they can do good work for you too.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And one thing about this particular yard is this is an organics property. I have not used any synthetic fertilizer on here whatsoever. I put on some soil amendments and my 545 organic fertilizer. This is a large corner lot, so when I'm in here each time I'm putting out about 100 pounds of 545 organic fertilizer, and I'm putting out about 100 pounds of a soil amendment to improve the soil, and this thing has just came back spectacularly. Thank you.